Top 3 Best Portable CarPlay Screens 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Effortless. The Car and Driver Intellidash Pro X10 brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle, effortlessly. This 10-inch HD touchscreen is a top choice among portable CarPlay screens. You get maps, calls, and music without cables, all through a simple plug-and-play setup. It's a versatile car audio solution, fitting trucks, SUVs, and older models without altering your dashboard. Multiple audio routes, including Bluetooth and FM transmitter, ensure sound compatibility. Just remember, it's an add-on display, not a fully integrated head unit. For easy modern features in any ride, this is a smart choice. Number 2. Plug-and-play wireless CarPlay. That's what makes this 9-inch screen stand out. It gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto instantly with voice control without tearing apart your dashboard. You get a night vision backup camera included, plus OTA updates for future compatibility. Phone mirroring and 4 audio output options are also built in. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter and you're good. But remember, real-time GPS needs your phone connected. For a portable CarPlay screen, it's a solid, universal upgrade. Number 3. This Capapro offers portable wireless CarPlay and Android Auto right in your car. You get a 7-inch HD touchscreen, mirroring apps like Netflix for kids on trips, and full voice control for navigation and calls. Plus, there are 4 audio output options, so it'll work with almost any car stereo system. Just know if Bluetooth gets wonky, a firmware upgrade might be needed. Still, it's a versatile choice for modern connectivity. Thanks for watching Best Portable CarPlay Screens. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.